Foundation repair can seriously boost your home's value by making it safer and way more marketable. So here's the deal. If you notice cracks in your walls or doors that won't shut right, those are signs your foundation might be acting up. Fixing it stops those problems from getting worse and keeps your house stable. When you're looking for a contractor, check reviews and ask for references so you don't get stuck with someone sketchy. Also, get multiple quotes to make sure you're not overpaying because foundation repair can be pricey, like several $1,000s easy. Don't just pick the cheapest option though. Quality matters a lot here. After repairs, keep all your paperwork and ask for warranties to protect yourself. If you ever decide to sell, having proof of foundation repair can make buyers feel way more confident. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is ignoring early signs of foundation damage because they think it's not a big deal. That just lets the problem get worse and cost more later. Another common issue is hiring unlicensed or uninsured contractors, which can cause all kinds of headaches if something goes wrong during repairs. Lastly, many people skip getting several estimates and end up either overpaying or getting poor quality work. The fix? Always act fast when you spot problems, verify contractor credentials, and compare a few quotes before deciding. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid go-to for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with real customers who need their skills.